Remove straps and open the box. Remove cable ties and the package frame. Take some assembled parts out from the plastic film, and remove the plastic film also. Take other all assembled parts and accessories box out from the package. View all the parts will be assembled. Remove 5 bolts, fix the rear axle of unit and remove iron wire fixes the front parts of unit. Move the unit from the package frame. Remove cable ties, fix front swing arms, and remove plastic film, which warps front shocks. Remove plastic films that warp handlebar and middle indicators cover. Assemble front shocks and make sure the bolts and nuts are tightened. Respectively, take cotter pins, nuts and washers from 2 ball joint. Assemble spindle front brake drum. Respectively, put 2 ball joint into the hole of spindle and make sure they match. Then, put washers and the nut back, tighten the nut and insert cotter pin. Take cotter pin, washers, nut out from ball joint of steering rod, and put the ball joint into another hole of spindle front brake drum, and make sure they match. Put washers and the nut back. Tighten the nut and insert cotter pin. Assemble rear brake caliper with bolt, and tighten the bolt. Assemble chain cover with 2 screws and tighten them. Assemble taillight bracket with 4 bolts, and make sure the bolts match holes. Take 4 bolts out from brake drum. Assemble front wheel. Put bolts back and tighten the bolts. Take cotter pin, nut, and washer out from side of rear axle. Assemble rear wheel. Put a washer and net back to the rear axle. Tighten the net, and insert cotter pin. View and check other all accessories. Assemble handlebar with clamp in 5 bolts. Assemble middle indicators cover. Install rear reflector and assemble rear rack. Tighten 2 bolts after assembly. Firstly, assemble plastic bumper and Triton fireboards. Assemble front rack and Triton fireboards. Then, put front rack and bumper together in washers and nuts. Install dust-proof caps to fire wheels. Install battery, connect its wires and put the seat back. Install gas cap. Install flagpole to the rear rack. View of after assembly. Check engine kill switch on the left side of handlebar. The engine can be started as the kill switch should be on position. If not, the engine does not work. Check CDI. The inside needles should be completely plugged. If not, the engine cannot be started. Check spark plug cap. The engine cannot be started if the cap is not completely plugged. Check fuel line whether the route is okay. The engine cannot be started if the fuel line route is folded. Then, check brake torque position. The position is off. The engine cannot be started also. Please turn the valve to on position. Check the wire of magneto. The engine cannot be started if inside needles are completely plugged or the wire color does not match. Check carburetor. Turn the fuel drain screw to check whether it has fuel inside of carburetor. If not, the engine does not work also. We can use carburetor cleaner to clean air filter and carburetor. It can help to start the engine also.